Welcome back to 928 days of quarantine. During this time, tried so many recipes, giving you all the best one.
Appearance is your perception. Deceive it. Turn on the caption. For a slim bod.
take me seriously.